welcome back in your English grammar class. Chapter number 9, verbs. So my dear students, our today's topic is verbs. So before going on for our topic, let's discuss what is sentence. As we all know that, because from standard 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and now in 6th standard also, we have already studied that the definition of sentence is that sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. And we know that the most important part or the most important word in the sentence is, yes, verb. The most important part in the sentence is verbs. So what do you mean by the verbs? If we talk about some very easy language, then we can say that verbs are the action words like eating, jumping, crying. These type of words are known as verbs, or we can say that the word which tells us about the tense, about the time, like is, am, are, was, were, has, have. These all are verbs. So my dear students, just open your page number, take your textbook, page number 49 and have a look. Chapter number 9, verbs. So according to the definition, have a look here. A verb is an important part of sentence. So here just take some examples, like you will take an example that she plays football. This is your sentence, and here she plays football. So here the action, what is the action? Action is that plays. What she is doing? What she does? She plays. What she does? She plays. So this is your action. So we can say that this is your verb. Understood? Now take another example. She is playing football. So here what is action? Playing. Yes, playing. So this is your verb. And have a look at your full sentence. She is your subject and football is your object. Then what about is? Then what about is? So here I have told you that according to the definition of verb is an action word. Yes. And second thing, verbs also tells us about the tense, about the timing. So here the word is. What is telling us the tense, the timing, that is present tense. So here verb is. So here is also your verb. Now a question arises that what is the difference between this verb and that verb? Yes. So here just to clarify this concept, have a look. So now my dear students, just try to understand this concept. She is playing football. In that sentence there were two verbs. So what was the difference between them? So have a look. If we divide verbs or categorize verb according to their role, then we will get two types of verbs. Main verb and second is your helping verb. Main verb and helping verb. So have a look. Turn your page at 50. The topic is main verb. And what is the main verb? The main verb is an important word in a sentence. It shows action, state or position. Yes. Main verb. As the name suggests us, main means important. What is the meaning of main? Important or principal. So we can say also the principal verb. So the meaning of main verb is here, which shows action, state or position. Take an example. The batsman hit the ball. The batsman hit the ball. And Miss Sharma teaches English. Third, we were very tired. Ravi has a new laptop. So my dear students, if we talk about, if we take the same, she plays football. She plays football. Here the word plays. The word plays is your main action. So this is your main verb. Understood? Now, the main verb is also called the head verb. Yes, here some other name is given also, that this is also known as head verb or principal verb or the most important verb of given sentence. Now my dear students, if we talk about the verbs here, the main verbs may be regular or irregular. What do you mean by regular or irregular? Yes, you have in your earlier classes you have seen your chart of verb chart. Verbs first form, second form, third form. Do, did, done, like this. Work, work, work. Have a look. Verbs first form, verb second form, and verb third form. If we take the first example, do, and second is work. Understood? So do, did, done. Do, did, done, and work, work, work. So here, what is the difference between? Can you see some pattern here? Yes. Work. Then second form is work. Then third form is also work. So here, have a look. What you have added? Just ed. So in the regular verb, if we talk about regular verb, then regular verb form the past tense by adding only d or ed or t to the base form. If we add d or simple ed or only t in the base form to make past form, then it is known as regular verb. Understood? But if all three forms are different from each other, then these type of verbs are known as irregular verb, like do. Here is the word do, then did, then done. So this is irregular verb and this is your regular verb. So now next topic. Next topic is your helping verb. So my dear student, I think now main verb is clear. Now let's move on to your second type of verb, that is your verb which helps. To whom? To the main verb. The verb which helps to the main verb is known as helping verb, or you can say that the helping verb is very important because it tells us the time period, tell us that the given action is done in which time period, past tense, present tense or future tense. So here have a look. Take an example. A goat is grazing on the hill. A goat is grazing on the hill. So here your main verb is actual, main action is grazing, and before grazing here is written is, which is helping the main verb. So the is your helping verb, which is helping the main verb and tells us what is the time period. Is means is related to the present tense, so we can make us understand that this given sentence, the situation of goat for grazing on the hill is belongs to present tense. So is your helping verb, and there are some more rules. There are some more rules about your given helping verb. So have a look. Helping verb has the main verb show the time or tense of the action, as we have discussed. So next one is that the main verb writing alone cannot always indicate when the activity took place. Yes. So if we use only this type of word, that a goat grazing on the hill, then this is very difficult, or this is impossible to understand that what is the time period. So this is helping verb plays a very important role to tell us the time period. So that is the goat was, or you can write is, whatever according to the given situation. Now the helping verb was before the main verb writing indicates that the activity was in progress, sometimes in the past also. So my dear students, whenever we need to write a progressive form of sentence. Progressive form of sentence means continuous form. Continuous form means when the action is going on. It may be related from past or present times. So helping verb in given continuous form, it's compulsory to put your helping verb before. So it is very important to put your helping verb before the continuous form of your verb. For example, a goat is or was, according to the time period, a goat is grazing on the hill. So my dear students, here have a look. So we can say that the helping verb was before the main verb writing indicates that the activity was in progress sometime in the past. So if we use the word was, then it shows that the work done is in progressive form in some time in the past. So now my dear students, just turn your page to 52. Yes, now very important. Here, have a look. Next topic is the most important. So now here there are some verbs form. Have you heard about the be form? Be form. Yes. Have you heard about the be form? What is be form? So have a look. Be form is and are. You can check out your page number 52 also. verb be, being or being. This is known as your be form. Means you can like is for singular present, am with I are for plural present, was singular past, were plural past, and be according to the continuous perfect according to the situation. Understood? Now here have a look. We use different forms of verb be as a main verb to express state, to make sentence or to give information. Yes, to give information we sometimes use it as a main verb. Like the boy is hungry. The boy is hungry. How the boy is? Boy is hungry. So is this your main verb? Now elephants are huge animals. Which type of animals are? Animals are huge. Why they are? Because elephants. Here elephants are in plural form. So next one. We also use the verb be as a helping verb before the main verb to form a continuous tense. Yes. So my dear students, be form is sometimes used as main verb, sometimes we use it as a helping verb. How? So now have a look. Be form, here be form, we can use be form as helping verb in continuous form, in progressive form. Now next one. Next verb form is your have form. Next one is your have form. What do you mean by have form? Have form means has, have or had. So my dear students, we use the verb have as a main verb to show what a noun, a pronoun possesses or have or has. Means it is matter about possession. For example, I have 2 pens. Means this is my possession that I have 2 pens. Second one, a car has 4 wheels. So this is possession of a car that it has 4 wheels. A third one, we also use the verb have as a helping verb before the main verb to form the perfect tense. Yes, you have seen in your perfect tenses, like perfect tenses that it may be about present or past, that we use it as a helping verb. We use as a helping verb, like she has eaten 4 apples. Like eaten is your main verb and apple has is your helping verb. So again, like a be form, have form also sometimes behave like a main verb and sometimes behave like a helping verb according to the given situation. Now my dear students, turn to page number 54. And your next topic is the verb your next topic is the verb do. Now here we use the verb do as a main verb. And what do you mean by the do? Before starting this, have a look. Do means do, does, did, doing and done. These all are your do form, verbs do form. So here sometimes we use these verbs to make an interrogative sentence, like do you have. For example, there are lots of example, you can start with your did. Does. If we put these form at starting, then and end it with question mark, then we can frame an interrogative sentence. So have a look. We also use the verb to do the helping verb to form negative and interrogative. Like, do you have a spare key for the car? Do you have a spare key for your car? So we started it with do and ended it with question mark. So now this is with your interrogative form. Now, sometimes we use the do form as a main verb, like I do my exercise every day. So, I do my exercise every day. Here, do is your main verb. Now, next topic. So, next topic of this chapter is your modal verbs. So, what is the modal verbs like? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might. There are lots of many more modal verbs, but the most important modal verbs are these. So my dear students, we use modal verbs to take some different situation, like to take permission, to show obligation, and there are lots of here in this, like to express ability, willingness, possibility, permission, and intentions, and many more also. In your next class you will read about this. So for example, like possibilities. First is possibilities, that it might rain tomorrow. Means it might rain tomorrow. In this situation, might is showing possibility, but keep in your mind that might is used for your weak possibilities. Means 30% you can say that tomorrow might be rain. So here might is showing your possibilities, but weak possibility. Now can, if you want to take some permission, so have a look. We can visit the museum. We can visit the museum today. So here can is your, again can is showing that possibility that tomorrow you will go for museum. My dear students, have a look. Can, past form is good. Will, past form is good. Shall, past form is good. Is should. But keep in your mind that if could, would, should is showing some showing past form, it doesn't mean that we can use it only in past form. We can use it to show possibilities, to take permission, or to take permission in very polite manner. We can use these given words. So there are so many exercises, and modal verbs are usually used before your main verb. We use it before main verb. And second thing, modals never change their form. We cannot change its form. So my dear students, that's all for today's class. There are lots of exercises A, B, C, D, E, and so just try to do it yourself, and after that when you will get manual, then do it in your notebook. Till then, be happy, be safe.